Hello guys and welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show to you guys how you will be able to check your total watch time on YouTube. So first things first, click on your profile over here on the bottom right, which will allow us to view our profile or our account as you can see here. Now as you can see, when you scroll down to the bottom, you will be able to see here time watched. You will be able to view here and you will be able to see the total amount of time you have been watching for the last 7 days. Now you won't be able to view your entire watch time as in the entire years that you have been watching, but you will be able to view for the last 7 days. You might be able to get the data for the entire time you have used YouTube your entire life, but you're going to have to request that directly to YouTube where you email them or use help and submit a ticket to provide you with those informations. But we have over here the data for the last 7 days. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.